So, hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss this Bluetooth, and this is the fifth unit actually in the wireless communication, and in which this Bluetooth topic is very much important to learn and to clear the semester exam. So, Bluetooth technology we are going to study. So first of all, you have to know what do you mean by Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances and building personal area networks. Right? So let me take this pen here. I'm taking this pen. Okay. Suppose you are having this mobile phone here and you want to connect it with another kind of devices like you have your earphones, you have your other kind of stuff like this one is your oven or AC you want to control your TV as well. So for that only, this is our Bluetooth that is used in this kind of network. So it can act as a PAN, that is the personal area network. So PAN can be just made with the help of Bluetooth, right? So Bluetooth is a short-range wireless technology standard that is used for exchanging data between fixed and mobile devices over short distances and building personal area networks. Okay, so it employs UHF or ultra high frequency radio waves in the ISM, that is industrial, scientific, and medical bands from 2.4 gigahertz to 2.48 gigahertz. This it is mainly used as alternative to wire connection, right? To exchange files between nearby portable devices and connect cell phones and music players with wireless headphones, right? So Bluetooth is managed by Bluetooth Special Group, that is SIG, which has more than 35,000 member companies in the areas of telecommunication, computing, networking, and consumer electronics. The IEEE standards Bluetooth as IEEE 802.15.1. So this is not that much important, but the important part is Bluetooth is managed by Bluetooth Special Interest Group. Okay, this is managed by this group only. So you can see this is our Bluetooth module which we can use in our devices as well. So here are some kind of information that are written for the Bluetooth device, right? This is also not that much important, but this is the megawatt and this one is showing us a kind of gain, right? Now, historically, the Bluetooth range was defined by radio class with a lower class and higher output power having larger range. The actual range achieved by a given link will depend on the qualities of the devices at both ends of the link, as well as the air and obstacles in between, right? So, basically in the early you can say the 20s we must having the different kind of problems, right? We were having the different kind of problems at that time. Like you can see here, the air kind of quality can reduce the Bluetooth connectivity as well. So the primary hardware attributes affecting range are data rate protocol, Bluetooth Classic or Bluetooth Low Energy, the transmitter power, the receiver sensitivity, and the gain of both antennas, right? Now, the effective range varies depending on propagation controls, material coverage, production sample variations, antenna configurations, and battery conditions. Right. Most Bluetooth applications are for indoor conditions where attenuation of walls and signal fading due to signal reflections make the range far lower than specified line of sight of the Bluetooth products. So you can get like if we are using it inside the home, there we can have the different kind of signal reflections if we are using out of the range, right? Or generally we have like 5 meter of range for the Bluetooth coverage, which the device works perfectly, right? But due to walls or this one is signal fading, if we just increase the kind of distance between the devices, then definitely there would be kind of signal fading, or we can have the attenuation between the signals or in the signals, right? Bluetooth network technology connects mobile devices wirelessly over a short range to form a personal area network, right? That I have earlier told you. Like you can connect the mobile device wirelessly over a short range of distance, and you can form your personal area network as well. So Bluetooth architecture has its own independence. So in this Bluetooth lecture, we have the very important thing is the architecture of the Bluetooth, right? We are moving towards the architecture here. You can see here This one is our Bluetooth radio. This one is our baseband. We are starting from the lower one. So first of all, if I just start with the upper one, this one is our application profile, and on the lower one we have baseband and Bluetooth radio. You must have to learn this. So this is our application layer. Now we have WAP, TCP, IP, PPP. Okay, AT command. This whole can be act as a audio, right? This one is RF communication and L2 cap and LMP, right? This is our data link layer, right? Now we will just move further to study the brief about these all kind of stuff that are written over here, right? So first of all, we have this physical layer. We are starting from this layer, okay, physical layer. So this includes Bluetooth radio and baseband. They have already mentioned that we have these both things in the physical layer, right? The baseband and the Bluetooth radio. Now we must have to know what is radio. So radio, it is a physical layer equivalent protocol that lays down the physical structure and specifications of transmission of radio waves. It defines air interference, frequency bands, frequency hopping specifications, and modulation techniques, right? So it is a kind of layer that is which is generally laying down the basic structure for the Bluetooth, right? Or for the transmission of the radio waves, right? As the name is mentioned, Bluetooth radio. That means radio waves are being just uh, decided by this kind of this radio layer, right? Now we are moving to baseband. Baseband, this protocol takes the services of radio protocol. It defines the addressing scheme, packet frame, format, timing, and power control algorithms. Sorry. So basically, the baseband defines like suppose we are having this message, and this message is being transmitted to another kind of user via Bluetooth. So it defines generally the kind of like addressing scheme to which address we have to send this message, right? So this kind of thing would be decided by this baseband, right? This protocol takes the service of radio protocol and define the addressing scheme, right? Now data link layer, this one is here. This data link layer in which we have LMP. This is the link manager protocol. So they have mentioned that it includes the baseband link manager protocol and logical link control and adaptation protocol L2 cap. So link manager protocol is like it establishes logical links between Bluetooth devices and maintains the link for enabling communication. So basically this one is very much important for the communication purpose between the Bluetooth devices and the connection between the Bluetooth devices basically. So the other main function of LMP are authentication and message encryption. So basically this can be used as a privacy part of the Bluetooth, right? It enhances the privacy of the Bluetooth. So you can learn it by this way, like link. Link means it is linking the two devices with the help of managing the kind of privacy, right? So link manager protocol can be defined as like it is enhancing the privacy between the devices of the Bluetooth, right? Now the logical link control and adaptation protocol L2 cap. Why this is L2 cap? L2 is defining logical link, right? The L with the two times, right? Logical link control and adaptation protocol. So this is the layer between upper layer frame and baseband layer. So L2CAP provides support for both connection oriented as well as connection length services. So basically, if I am sending a message and the message can gets just split it down into the different kind of packets, and then again these packets get transferred with the medium of wire or wireless, and then again it would be formed as a message in the end. So this conversion and this kind of transfer would be possible with the help of logical link control and adaptation protocol, right? Now middleware layer is this includes radio frequency communication, RF communication protocol, adapted protocol, SGP, and AT commands. So now we are moving to RF communication. What is RF communication? So it is a short for radio front end component and provide a serial interface with WAP, right? Wireless area protocol. Now, adopted protocol is these are the protocol that are adopted from standard models and commonly adopted protocol used in Bluetooth are pointed to point-to-point protocol, right? So this works as point-to-point protocol and internet protocol, user datagram protocol, and transmission control protocol and wireless. application protocol. So basically, we are moving to service discovery protocol. So service discovery protocol takes care of service related queries like device information so as to establish a connection between contending Bluetooth devices. So basically, uh, it is having the device information, right? Now, AT commands is attenuation command set, and application layer is this includes the application profiles that allow the user to interact with the Bluetooth application, right? So, the upper one is our application profiles, like whatever the application we are using via Bluetooth, this kind of information would be saved in it, right? Now, the difference between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this is the different topic, and now we are moving just onto the Bluetooth only. So now we will be having the advantages of Bluetooth. So advantages, that first one is wireless, that it is a wireless kind of communication and we do not have a meshy kind of stuff with the wires, and availability is very much high rather than comparing to other kind of mediums, right? It is a short area network, we know, but it works good in the short area, right? The usability, it is easy to use, and Bluetooth can used by most experienced user as well. So the Bluetooth pairing process is very simple, and it doesn't need any kind of installation before usage, right? The efficiency is very much high, right? Because it doesn't take that much of energy. Now, talking about the disadvantage, like speed is somehow low. Now we are moving to the Bluetooth new versions that are having the good kind of a speed, but in the earlier stages we were not having that kind of a speed. So speed is a kind of concern for the Bluetooth users, right? Now the range is somehow very low, right? As I have earlier told you, like if you are using Bluetooth earbuds that can work perfectly under the range of 5 to 10 meters. So the Bluetooth connection has a maximum range of 100 meter. The maximum range can up to the 100 meter and has a limited range, right? This is safety and security. Already we have used this one. Uh, that was for the like authentication link manager protocol, but yeah, there is a kind of security issue, right? So safety and security is not that much high. Reliability is like, even though the majority of Bluetooth implementation follow the standard, there are still worries about Bluetooth compatibility, and due to variety of factors including profiles, drivers and versions. Basically, now we are just upgrading our Bluetooth kind of technology, so maybe in future we will be having these kind of disadvantages would be solved. So this is all about the Bluetooth technology. So thank you so much for joining this lecture. Hope you have learned something from this lecture. Basically, the important one is the architecture of the Bluetooth. You must have to learn this, and advantage and disadvantage of the Bluetooth would be in the exam. So thank you so much.